Have you ever dreamed about having your own restaurant, perhaps being a chef, a baker, or even working as a manager in a large capacity hotel or event center? Well, with Mr. Retches and Mr. McCauley, two great fun instructors, will teach you all the basic foundational skills you'll need for front of the house activities and back of the house. In the front of the house, you'll learn to set tables, do napkin design, room layout, serve banquets, and even off-site catering and all of the things that it takes to pull those events together, including designing some pretty cool looking rooms. And let's admit, those skills are truly fire. To have chefs come in that are guest speakers that speak about things about regional cuisines and different plate services and different kind of foods available out there, I think you'll learn some very fascinating things. You'll also learn some French terms like mise en place and actually know what mise en place means and be able to do it. In fact, be able to look at a grouping of foods like this and know what you're going to prepare. Making interesting breakfasts, and along with that, making all the components of it, not just poaching the eggs and the Canadian bacon, but making your own English muffins. To design artful salads with making your own dressings, to entree plates and lunch plates, and things again from scratch. Mr. McCauley and Mr. Retches both will take you through all the different methods that it takes to not only know how to cook, but why, and take you to the process of starting from truly scratch and not boxed ingredients. Learn how to artfully present each component of your actual meal, and each part of it know what cooking methods would apply. So just like mashed potatoes, green beans, and chicken become a nice artfully plated entree. And if you like pasta, just think about making your own pasta from scratch with a fresh tomato sauce or even maybe a fresh beef stroganoff. But let's not forget about the bake shop. In the bakery, make all your own pies, pastry, cakes, desserts, and breads. In fact, here's some breads that were made in class, some English muffins, and some nice manapua pua, or a Hawaiian sticky bun with barbecue pork. And while in the bakery, don't forget to do the rub dough method so you can make fresh biscuits and scones. And I guarantee you won't look at a pumpkin the same way once you roast it. Then make puree out of it, make a little bit of pumpkin pudding and a nice cream to go in cupcakes. You can even take that pumpkin and make some, pumpkin bread. For that sweet tooth, learn a little bit about sugar cooking to make a nice creamy fudge. Or maybe you take that fudge and put it in the middle of a chocolate cake. Maybe it's more of an apricot cake or a fresh apple galette is to your choosing. Don't worry, there's plenty of cookies to make and also a few special treats along the way, like this caramel corn here. So if you're ready to set your future on fire and have your dreams come true just like Chloe did, then make an appointment, fill out an application, or talk to your counselor now.